Yes, they finally arrived to the crib. What's going on? It is your big homie Leonard back again with another video, man. Before we start this video, y'all already know, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to make sure y'all stay notified every time I upload something. You already know how I get down by now. I ain't gonna waste too much of y'all time, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Now the sneaker out and the rest of the sites that sold this shoe did me so wrong, man. I mean, I done struck out twice. Then I ordered this shoe off Go, and I guess the seller either sent a fake pair or didn't send it in time, so I had to wait a whole nother week for them to find me another shoe. And they finally found it and they shipped it to me. And it took forever, man. I'm so late to the party with this shoe, man. By the box, y'all already know what it is. It's the Travis Scott 6s, the Khaki. I don't even know what the name is, fam. Before we start, man, y'all already know I gotta do a little check on the box. Me and my partner Shamar, shout out Shamar, I told y'all I'm gonna shout you out, man. We've been talking about this nigga for a while, and he been kind of hesitant on pulling the trigger, but guess what? I pulled the trigger. We were talking about it, homie. I ain't gonna lie to you. Go ahead and get into this. Let me see what we got here, man. These jokers so fun. Hold on, man. I gotta do a little check. I gotta check every time I get something Go, man. The last time they just sold me a fake pair of shoes. But yeah, man. They here. Man, I ain't finna really do no full review on these things, man, cause y'all done seen these things a million times. These was so hard, man. Just showing y'all a little unboxing. Oh shit. Come with the little lace thing. I'm sorry, man. I just really lost for words, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I really want to put them on my foot. Let's see what they do. Ooh, these are so hard, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, man. One thing I hate is a fake sneaker, man. I just don't do fakes. I really don't, man. If I'm skeptical about something, even if it's 100% real, I still get rid of it. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Man, I don't know if y'all can see it in the camera. I gotta cut the lights off or whatever, man. This glow is serious. This glow is serious, boy. These things so hard, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. These things are hard, boy. If this video a little choppy, my bad, man. Gotta ran through check, and they say, y'all see that? Pass. So, like I said, man, I ain't really gonna give y'all no review. Cause y'all probably seen it a million times. You see the little cactus jack. Somewhere right there. Got Now I can cactus jack on each of the shoes. I don't know if I'm gonna switch the laces out or not, but I know my thing right here, I'm gonna switch that out. But I ain't a real big fan of switching laces out, man. I like whatever laces come with the shoe, that's how I rock the shoe. I ain't too much of having one color, one side one color, the other side another color. I ain't with all that, but yeah, man, it's a Go pair of shoes. But anyway, man, if you enjoyed my video, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, man. It's your big homie.